Hello everybody. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get Skechers deals on DealSeek. To find Skechers deals on DealSeek, you need to follow this step. Firstly, you need to open any of the web browser. And in the top, there's this address bar. Type down dealseek.com and enter it. And once you get into this interface of this DealSeek, what you need to do is you need to go to the search bar in the top right here and you need to type down Skechers and simply select enter. So here now it's loading the deals. So over here, if available, you can also browse all of these items here. You simply select one of the item that you prefer. And you can also go to this promo codes, verified low price, all brands or discount, and simply open one of the product. And here you can find the sale price here, which is this deal. And you can simply copy code and open in Amazon to proceed it. And this is it. This is how you can get Skechers deal on DealSeek. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.